Hello, my name's Katrin. I'm an agent immobilier with Leggett Immobilier, and this is my colleague Ian Beale.
Today we're here to present you this property, a beautiful property in southern Gironde, not far from Marmande, Bazas and Casteljaloux. The house is situated around about an hour from Bordeaux International Airport with excellent connections.
The property is part medieval fortress and part modernised and extended living space.
We're going to take you inside and visit the property now, if you'd like to follow us.
Here we are in this rather lovely hallway. There's a circular staircase that goes right the way up to the first and second floor where the bedroom areas are. Off to our left is the modern extension that was done in 2015 with a living room and kitchen. And off to our right, where we're going next, is the living room, which is part of the old fortress. On y va?
This is the living room. There's a traditional wood fireplace, a billiard table, plenty of room to welcome guests. It's a really cosy room, excellent in the summer. When it's hot outside, it's lovely and fresh in here.
Yes, look at the thickness of the walls. Those act as a natural insulation so that it remains cool in summer and warm in winter.
And there's lots of original features, the ironwork on the windows and also the big oak beams that go across the room.
So we'll go and look at something completely different now. We'll go and look at the modern part. So here we are in the living dining room, and behind us is the door that goes into a galley kitchen. This is the extended part of the house, so this was added on in 2015, as I said. There's lots of nice attention to detail here. For example, there's little stencils on the exposed beams. It's very cool contemporary colours. There's a lovely tiled floor, and then there's sliding doors going out to a terrace on the outside with the views over the hills and valleys in the distance. So here we are on a circular staircase of oak, lovely exposed stone walls, and on the left as you come up to the first floor are two beautiful traditional bedrooms. And talking of original features, how about this little place that we're sitting in at the moment? What do you think?
It's lovely. You've got a tower, and a little circular tower. Up here you've got a little snug where you can sit quietly and have a cup of tea. Below us, the same sort of size room. It's been converted into a cave for your wine, and it's got a trap in the floor, keeps your wine exactly the right temperature all year round.
And if you feel you're going to be invaded, there are little tiny windows where you can fire your arrows at the invading hordes. And here we are in the master bedroom. And who would have thought a fortress could be so pretty? It's got exposed stone walls, there's painted beams on the ceiling, and behind us there's an ensuite bathroom with a bath and a shower and sink. It's absolutely lovely. And on the other side of the corridor, there's another similar bedroom to this and a family bathroom on this floor.
On the second floor, you got another 2 bedrooms. There's also an office space as well, and there's a small loft area for storing your belongings.
So here we are on the terrace. We're outside the living dining room, the modern extension, and we are just admiring the views. We can overlook something like 3.9 hectares of land, so that's just under 10 acres. It's beautiful grassland. It's suitable for horses. You could keep sheep here. There's a little lake down in the corner, which is supplied by a source, and it's quite a spectacular place to be.
So to conclude, this medieval fortress that's been recently modernised and extended in 2015. You've got 4 bedrooms in the main original building. In the new building you've got an additional reception room, a kitchen and an additional bedroom.
If this property is of interest to you, there's contact details below. Please click on the link and get in touch with us directly. We can offer you a virtual viewing. So what that entails is we meet up with you online in the convenience of your own home. We show you videos, we show you where you are on Google Maps, we can answer any questions that you have, and we can organise a visit in person if that's what you're interested in. À bientôt. Goodbye.
Goodbye.